Prove basic proportionality theorem. AD by BD equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Basic proportionality theorem. AD by BD equal to AE by EC. First, draw DN perpendicular to AC and EM perpendicular to AB. Join B to E and C to D. First, area of triangle ABE equal to half into base AD into EM. Now area of triangle DEB equal to half into BD into EM. From first and second, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB equal to half into AD into EM by half into BD into EM. Cancel. Here AD by BD. Now area of triangle ADE equal to half into AE into DN. Third, and area of triangle DEC equal to half into EC into DN. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC equal to half into AE into DN half into EC into DN. DN cancel, half cancel. So AE by EC. Right. Area of triangle DEB equal to area of triangle EDC. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB. So AD by BD equal to AE by EC. The same base between same parallel lines, area are equal. Understood? Yes or no? Yes sir. This side? You not understood? Not understood. Here, first listen. Here, ADE and ABC, two triangles. Here, EM perpendicular to AD. So area of triangle ADE equal to half into base into height. Here base AD and height EM. Now area of triangle BDE. BDE. Base BD height EM. So area of triangle DEB equal to half into base BD height EM. From first and second, so area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB equal to half into AD into EM, half into BD into EM. EM cancel, half cancel. So AD by BD first. And now this side here, AC side. Area of triangle ADE. Here A is the base and DN is the perpendicular. So area of triangle ADE equal to half into base into height. And area of triangle DEC equal to half into base EC and height DN. Here DN cancel, half cancel. So AE by EC. And then triangle ADEB and triangle DEC on the same base and between the same parallel lines, their area are equal. So from first and second, so AD by BD equal to AE by AC. And how to prove? Here AD by AB equal to AE by AC. How to prove? Prove. AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Means both side adding plus 1. side plus 1. Here AD plus BD by BD. Here AE plus AC by EC. So AB by AD equal to AC by AE. And basic proportionality theorem and then converse. So AE by AC equal to AD by. The next exercise 6.3. The question number first. Figure question and two triangles are similar or not. The question number first. State which of this triangle in a figure 6.34 which is it similar or which are not a similar. The question number 2. Question number 2 and 3. In this figure, here AB and CD. Here A, B, C, D. And intersect at O and angle COB. Here COB equal to 125 degree and CDO 70 degree. Find DOC second DCO and third OAB and here AC and BD intersect at O. So angle COB plus COD equal to 180 degree, right? Here BOC plus angle COD equal to 180 degree. 125 plus angle COD equal to 180. So COD equal to 180 minus 125. 55 degree COD. COD fine. Yeah, DOC fine. Next DCO. In triangle DCO angle DOC plus angle ODC plus angle OCD equal to 180. Where come from here? Angle. All the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here COD value 55 degree and ODC value given 70 degree plus OCD equal to 180. So angle OCD equal to 180 minus 125. 55 degree. And OAB. Here find. Here AB and CD line are parallel. Given parallel? No. Similar? Similar? Here this angle equal to this. What is this? Vertically opposite. This angle value 55 degree. And find this angle.
55 degree.
Here C equal to 55 degree. And here this angle 55 degree.
180 में माइनस करेंगे दोनों का सम तो वो भी 55 है.
Here 155 degree. This angle how to 55 degree?
Sir, but it's
अल्टरनेट ये रहेगा.
Why alternate? Here are
Sir, there is 125 vertically opposite this side also 125 by the 360
125 this side 125.
and subtract with 360 both.
Here 55 degree and this angle equal to this 55 by the alternate. And the why triangle are similar. Given triangle DOC and triangle AOB are similar. Similar. This angle side, this and this angle side, this angle also the value 70. Next, question number 3. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O, and using the similarity criteria, the two triangles OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Back. Trapezium.
Yes.
A, B, C, D. Diagonal intersected O. Here OA to prove OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Very easy. First, in a trapezium, one pair opposite side parallel. Angle AOB equal to angle COD, you write. And angle ABO equal to angle ODC. Alternate. Similar, and then you write the side of proportionals. Right. Finish. Right. Triangle AOB and triangle COD. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite. Angle ABO equal to angle ODC. Alternate angle. Triangle AOB similar triangle COD. And the side are proportional. Here AO by OC equal to OB by OD. Next question number 4. It is 4. Question number 5. Chalo. Question number 5. To make fast. Question number 5. In the question number 5, given figure.
No, no.
S and T are the point on the side PR and QR of a triangle PQR, such that angle P equal to RTS and so that RPQ similar RTS. Here, first to find it. PQR is a triangle. Huh? PQR is a triangle, and S and T are the point on S and T. Here S and T are the point on side PR and QR. Here S and T. Angle P equal to angle RTS. RTS. Angle P equal to angle RTS. This angle equal to this. To prove angle RTS similar to angle PQR. Very easy. First, in triangle STR and triangle PQR, angle R equal to R common, angle T equal to P are given. So A is similarity, similar. In triangle RTS and triangle PQR, angle R equal to R common and angle STR equal to angle RPQ given. So triangle RTS similar triangle PQR by AA similarity. You make the question number 6. 6 figure are given. 6. Make question number 6. ABC and DE. DN. Triangle ABE contrast triangle ACD, and so that ADE similar triangle ABC, and given